Alright, now that you have your commander connected to the network and you found the IP address, then the next thing is to link up to the commander. So you can open up Internet Explorer, and then go up to the address bar and type in that address. Now I've got a pre-canned address. So when it opens up, here you go. You can see right now it's locked. There's a red ring. There's no faults because it's green, showing all the information. You can go between the various screens. Back to main. Alright, so first thing we want to do, since we want to make some changes anyways, is we want to unlock it. You hit the lock button, tells you 5 digits. The first 3 digits of the 5 digits are the passcode that you set on the commander itself. In this case I haven't set one yet, so it's 000. Then the remaining 2 digits is a special code to determine whether or not you want full access or partial access. So for partial access, you'd enter in the passcode. In this case it's 000, and then the special code 12. Now that unlocks it, and the ring turns blue to let you know it's partial lock. It'll turn green if it's a full unlock. So right now we're going to assign an operator number, operator 10, and we're going to change jobs. Go back to job 1, clear the parts counter, and maybe change the quality count to 5,000. There you go. Brake monitor settings. And here's it's showing you the programmable limit switches. Right now die protection is off, but you can go in and by touching this you can change the sensor type. Now it's static, normally open. You can go in and change things like the speed comp, whether you want the speed comp to be on or off. The angles, I can go in and add an angle, close and an open angle, so it has to be all 6 digits for the close and the open angle. So I can choose, I'm going to close at 100 and open at 250. And there it goes. I can go to the tonnage and servo screen and set up your Indramat servo speed. We'll make the speed 90%. The length, we'll make it 10.5 inches. Then you get some other angles in here. Some fields you're not allowed to alter. We're in the partial mode right now, partial unlock, so if I try to enter it, it says password not authorized to change. So some things you are and some things you're not authorized to change. We can change the minimum speed. .50, and there you go, and then we can cycle the press. And our counters is showing the runtime, or we could reset that runtime, get that back to 0. And that's it. It's creating a log file. Now you can go down below and you can see anything that's logged in, any faults. It'll show you the dates and times, and this is recording all the changes that we made. That's also going into a log file. If any faults occur on the screen, let's generate a fault. So we've now just generated resolver faults, and you can see them down at the bottom: drift fault, resolver fault. But the other way, the easier way to see it, is to hit the reset fault twice. Brings up a screen showing you all those faults. Now in order to clear it, doesn't matter where you are, you don't have to be on that screen, you could be on this screen. You just hit it once and then you hit enter and that'll clear it. It won't let you clear it if you're not unlocked. Now in order to get back to locked, We just hit this lock, and we can either change our mind and go back, or hit lock, and if we want to lock it again, we hit enter. Now it's locked as red. Now we can't clear those faults. We can only clear die faults, but all other faults we can't. Now, while all this is taking place, the display unit of the commander must be in run mode, because program mode is reserved for the display unit itself. And there you go. That's it.